To customize email content and settings when using Fobo, you must connect a third-party service to deliver your email. To connect SendGrid as your third-party service, go to Share Settings and tap Connect SendGrid. On this screen, simply paste your SendGrid API key. If you don't have a SendGrid API key, here's how you create one. Open your browser and go to sendgrid.com. Tap Login. Use your SendGrid username and password. When you're logged into your SendGrid dashboard, find the API key section under Settings. Tap Create API Key. Enter a name for your API key so that you can remember what you've done later. Under Access, we suggest that you only allow access to mail sending. Now copy the entire key. This is the last time you'll be able to see the key, so make sure that you store it in someplace safe. Navigate back to the Fobo app and you're ready to pick up where we started this video. Paste your SendGrid key and you will be able to continue customizing email settings, you can even specify a CC address that will send a copy of all email shares to your event host. Now, when your clients and guests are presented with a share dialog, the email content will be customized to your settings.